Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone 16 or 16 Plus is real. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, with that said, let's get right to it. So to check if your iPhone is real, maybe you're buying like a used iPhone or you're ordering one online and you want to make sure that you got a real iPhone. So how you do this is you have to find the IMEI of your iPhone. So you go to settings, you go to general. Here in general, select about. Here in about, scroll down, and here you will have your IMEI. Okay, you'll have two of them. You just need the first one. Okay, so on your computer, you're gonna go to this site. It's imei.info. There's gonna be a link down below, and here you're gonna enter your IMEI. Okay, so 351-553-46-809-962. Okay, once you have it fully typed in, hit check IMEI, give it a few seconds, and it will pull up your iPhone, or if it's not a real iPhone, then it will not show up here. Okay, so as you can see, this is a real iPhone. It says iPhone 16 Plus. This is the IMEI. This is the model number. It's from Apple. And if you scroll down a little bit, it's going to give you even more information about your phone. Okay, so here it's going to say the iOS, when it was released, the type of battery, and some more information down here as well. So we can obviously tell that this is a real iPhone. But this can be very useful since there's a lot of copy or clone iPhones out in the market nowadays. You may want to check and make sure that yours is real. All right, everyone, so that is how you check if your iPhone 16 or 16 Plus is real. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you. Comment down below and let me know. And if you want an epic custom wooden phone case for your phone like these, check out the links down below in the description. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.